Ha? Kasi nga, hindi naman magpaparetoke ang isang tao kung nilalait nyo. Ngayon, nilalait nyo nung pangit.
Sandali lang nga. Rewind.
Bakit? Bakit ba may mga nagpaparetoke na tao? Naging ano pa sa kanila yan, issue. Bakit ba na may nagpaparetoke na tao? Dahil yan sa mga taong mapanghusga. Dahil yan sa mga taong mapanlait. Kaya nga meron doktor eh. Ha? Kasi nga, hindi naman magpaparetoke ang isang tao kung nilalait nyo. Ngayon, nilalait nyo nung pangit. Ngayon, nagparetoke para umayos yung mukha. Problemahin pa rin.
Bakit ka kasi nakikinig? Bakit ka nakikinig sa lahat ng mga sinasabi sa'yo ng tao? You think you can control what they can say about you? You think you can control them? You can't. Bakit mo pinapakinggan? Tsaka maraming tao hindi nagpaparetoke. Bakit mo pa kailangan kasi magparetoke? Ganyan ka ba ka-insecure sa mukha mo, sa sarili mo? Na kailangan mo pang magparetoke and yeah, it's true, it's your money. It's your money. Pero yung how you spend your money, makikita yung character mo. You spend all that money sa pagpaparetoke, and what do you get? A couple of compliments? Yun lang? And your nose is not gonna be like that forever. Sometimes they droop down. Sometimes they have problems kahit na may nagpa-surgery ka pa. Kahit na nagpa-nose job ka pa. Makikita mo yung mga ibang nagpa-nose job when they get older, yung ilong nila pumapangit palalo. Like way uglier. Not only that, now you have a weakness in your face. Naintindihan mo? Yung sinasabi kong weakness. Hopefully, na hindi tamaan ng ilong mo. Because if you had a surgery with your nose, it's gonna weaken your nose. So hopefully, pag nadapa ka o may nangyari sa'yo, huwag tamaan ng ilong mo. Dahil before you have a nose job, maayos yung mukha mo. After you have a nose job, it weakens your nose. Hindi na siya katulad ng dati. So pag nagba-basketball kayo, or if you're doing something like sport heavy and binato ng malakas yung yung bola at tinamaan ka sa ilong, that's gonna be a problem. May weakness na. Nagigets mo ba na may weakness na ang mukha mo? Dati walang weakness. Because yung bone structure mo is maayos. Ngayon, nagpa-nose job ka, it weakens the bones in your nose. Hindi mo siguro naisip yon. Na ngayon, this bones is weaker than it is before. Hindi ko alam kung anong nakain mo eh. Like, paparetoke ka. Mostly, babae nagpaparetoke. Like, ikaw nagparetoke ka, lalaki kang tao. Like, what's the problem? Like, we all gonna be ugly when we get old. So, anong problema? Like, what's the big deal? Baka yung mga kaibigan mo is mga walang kwentang tao. Kaya inaasar yung ilong mo. You are hanging out with the wrong people. Kasi personally, sa akin lang naman, like, I'd rather be ugly but totoo, but real, than be guwapo but fake. Yun lang naman sa akin. Like, in a million years, kitang-kita mo naman ng ilong ko, like, it's pretty big. Like, I never thought of having a nose job. I've never thought of it. Never. Zero. Zero nose job. And I have a big nose. Pilipinong-Pilipino yung ilong ko. And I am okay with it. I am satisfied with it. Ikaw hindi ka masatisfied dyan sa ilong mo. So, yun lang naman. Everybody have a good day and peace out.